Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete and uninstall the 360 Total Security antivirus. So guys, you have two ways of doing this. Firstly, you can do this from the control panel, and you can also do this from your Windows settings, and then you go to apps. Let me show you. So you just go to your apps. In here, as you can see, we have 360 Total Security. Press on uninstall, uninstall, and now the app will be uninstalled. Next, then we choose I don't need it, uninstall, and uninstall. Delete files, delete game booster settings, next, and yes, uninstall. And now it's going to close and of course remove itself. So let us just wait. This is basically, guys, how you uninstall it. If you want to do it from the control panel, it's totally fine. It doesn't really matter. We can now close this. Let's take a little time and wait for the uninstallation. As you can see, now just press finish. And now, as you can see, it's totally gone from our apps list. So enjoy, guys. You're welcome. Like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.